Hundreds of blood-filled ticks cover this horse every single day.
They spread across its neck, shoulders, and almost every part of its body. Every movement becomes uncomfortable, but there is almost nothing the horse can do.
It rubs against trees, hoping to scrape them away.
But the parasites continue feeding without mercy.
Then, help quietly arrives.
Tiny bird knows exactly where to begin. Unswollen tick becomes its very first meal. One bite after another, the oxpecker quickly clears the largest parasites. Soon, another oxpecker joins the feast. Together, they search every hidden corner beneath the fur. Even the deepest parasites cannot escape their sharp eyes. The horse finally begins to relax. Every parasite removed makes life a little easier. More helpers arrive, turning one bird into an entire cleaning team. Hidden beneath the thick fur, the final large parasites are finally discovered. The largest parasites become the bird's favorite targets.
The horse no longer flinches. It completely trusts its tiny helpers.
Every few seconds, another parasite disappears forever. Even the smallest hiding places cannot protect them anymore. Soon, almost every part of the horse is being cleaned. The difference becomes impossible to ignore. Areas that once crawled with parasites now reveal healthy skin again. Relief slowly replaces constant irritation. Only a few stubborn parasites remain. The biggest parasite becomes the bird's final reward. Even the delicate skin around the eye is carefully cleaned. The painful burden has almost completely disappeared. The birds search one last time to make sure nothing is left behind.
Their work is finally complete. One species found food, the other found relief. Sometimes, survival depends on helping each other.